We have already seen that carbon dioxide is having the molecular mass 44 and melting point is minus 56.6. It is present in the chalk, also salt in the chalk and in the Sahabadi tiles, which is also, you can say that the marbles also, or the limestone also. When you will do any type of combustion of the fossil fuel, you are going to get it. Now let us understand how we can get the carbon dioxide gas in the laboratory. So for that, children, you are going to take the round bottom flask. Then with the cork, we are going to attach one thistle funnel. You are going to have the delivery tube, that is the U tube, and you are going to have the gas jar. The gas jar can be 4, 5 also. Okay. So children, this diagram is important. Sometimes 5 questions are asked on with this diagram, that what is the reactant, what is the product, what is the chemical, means whether the gas is acidic or whether it is basic, what is the effect on the litmus paper, etc. So this diagram is important. Diagram itself can be containing 2 marks, or the question based on diagram can be also asked. So let us pay attention. So you are going to assemble the all the apparatus as shown in this slide. Okay. You are going to take CaCO3. Okay, this is CaCO3. Right, this CaCO3 you are going to keep at the round bottom flask, and then you are going to add dilute HCl in the flask through the thistle funnel. So from this way you are going to add the HCl, and please remember that the end of the funnel should dip in the acid. Sometimes in the exam, children pay attention, now they show in this manner. I'll just use my pen. ये जो थीसल फनेल है ना, वो यहाँ तक ही ड्रॉ करेंगे उन लोग. ओके, थीसल फनेल दे ड्रॉ, दे डोंट टच द, यहाँ पे अगर लेवल है सॉल्यूशन का तो ऊपर टच नहीं करेंगे. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, ऑफ कोर्स द एसिड तो गिर जाएगा, बट वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है ना, फिर वो ये जो डिलीवरी ट्यूब है ना, ये वाली यहाँ से पास नहीं होगी और यहाँ से बाहर निकल जाएगा. राइट. सो थीसल फनल पानी के अंदर, ये नॉट पानी, CaCO3 का जो लिक्विड है उसके अंदर अटैच होगा. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, द carbon dioxide gas will not go through the thistle funnel, it will go through this delivery tube only. Okay, so remember that all the time you are going to have this. Moreover, ये जो thistle ये delivery tube है ना, वो ऊपर होनी चाहिए, वो पानी के अंदर नहीं होनी चाहिए. हाँ, वो पानी के, तो फिर ये और ये दोनों सेम ही हो जाएंगे, तो वो पानी में नहीं, ये ऊपर देख लो. So when you draw the diagram, this has to be like this, and this has to be deep inside the solution. So this is the main 2 parts you are going to keep in the mind while drawing this diagram. Okay, so now the reaction will start between CaCO3 and HCl, and what you will see, that carbon dioxide gas is formed as a result of reaction between the calcium carbonate and HCl. So this reaction है ना, तो आप 4-5 गैस जार भर के रख दो. Why we will do it? Because we are going to study about the properties also. So around 4-5 gas jars you will fill up. Okay, in this manner. यहाँ पे एक भर गया, फिर ये दूसरा, ये तीसरा, ऐसे भर के रख दो. What is the chemical reaction, children? Chemical reaction is CaCO3 plus 2HCl gives you CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, so you are going to get the calcium chloride, but CO2 is gas which will be collected in the gas jar. Now to learn about the physical and chemical properties of carbon dioxide, first you will smell and you observe the color of the gas. Carbon dioxide का color क्या है? Who will say? Carbon dioxide is which color gas? Come on. We all are exhaling carbon dioxide. Which color gas we are exhaling? Repeat the answer. Children, we all are exhaling carbon dioxide. Okay? Yes, that's correct. Then only one person is exhaling in checking. Why can't you all? Their नाक के पास में हाथ रखो और देखो क्या है कलर. It is colorless gas. स्मेल क्या है? स्मेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की. जरा स्मेल करो. करेक्ट. उसको स्मेल भी नहीं है. Okay, so it is not having any smell, it is not having any color. Now, we are going to have a different gas jar and we are going to check it. First of all, you are going to remove the lid of the gas jar and you are going to put some lime water into it. तो क्या होगा lime water डालोगे तो? Can you see this part? See, it has turned milky. That means like carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. उसके बाद में ना वहाँ पे burning candle लेके गए. एक कैंडल लिया और उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया उसके अंदर गैस जार के अंदर. What we observed? Anyone knows observation of this? The candle get extinguished. Teacher, this still the students. This question can be asked in the exam. इसके आंसर टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है, but question है. So you can make a note of all such things, and it is equally important. It can come from 3 to 5 marks. So the candle extinguishes, बुझ जाती है. As soon as you will introduce this burning candle in the gas jar containing carbon dioxide, it gets extinguished. मतलब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या काम करता है? आग को बुझाने का काम करता है. Got the property? Property here turns lime water milky. Property here no smell, no taste. Okay. Then we have seen the fire get extinguished. Then next one, if you put the universal indicator, what you will get the color? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस कैसा था? अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था लिटमस पेपर से. हाँ, लिटमस पेपर टर्न्स रेड. So if you use universal indicator, what color it will give? रेड का ही भाई बहन आएगा ना, because it is acid. Okay, now some of the observation you have to imagine. It is that obvious. You can check it with the blue and red litmus paper. What will happen to both the litmus paper? Blue will turn red and red will remain the same. Blue turns to red. Now add little water into it and then we just shake it. The gas gets dissolved little bit. Okay. And the litmus paper, as I told to you, that it turns red. So you are going to write down the observation given in the table on your page number 145. I told you all the observation. Now you are going to complete the observation. Okay. So I think that's Little more I can take. Let me see how much I can take now. Okay. So we have now some more chemical properties of carbon dioxide. First one, sodium carbonate is formed when carbon dioxide is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Now what do we mean by sodium carbonate? Sodium carbonate का मतलब washing soda. So what reaction you will get? 2NaOH plus CO2 gives you Na2CO3 plus H2O. So chemical equation you can present in this manner, right? So carbon dioxide किसके ऊपर से है? Through the solution of washing soda, sodium hydroxide. Next one, sodium bicarbonate is formed on passing carbon dioxide through an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. ना सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट का मतलब दिस इज सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट मतलब उसको बोलते हैं बेकिंग सोडा जो मम्मी यूज करती है ना ढोकला प्रिपरेशन बनाने के लिए ढोकला और पकोड़ा दैट सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इज दैट ओके सो व्हाट इज द रिएक्शन Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 gives you 2NaHCO3. So these are the some of the other chemical reaction जो हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में काम आते हैं. Now let us come to the uses of carbon dioxide. It is used in the aerated drinks. Children, carbon dioxide is sprangly soluble. Sprangly soluble means it is soluble with little part. This is the last part I am going to discuss, the uses part. So all the aerated drinks, जो bubbles आते हैं जैसे खोलते हो brrr से सब बाहर आता है bubbles, that is nothing but the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so it is used to make the aerated drinks. Moreover, as I told you that sodium solid carbon dioxide is used in a cold storage and also to keep the milk and milk product and the frozen substance cool for during the transportation, and it also gives the effect of the mist during the dramas and movies. जब भी उनको mist दिखाएं they are using this carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide obtained by the chemical reaction or kept under pressure is used in the fire extinguisher. Very important. जो fire extinguisher होता है चार्ज बहुत बड़ी you can say in the outside the laboratory also we are having, in you malls also you have a multi-stored building also it is having at some of the floors. So here carbon dioxide is used over there. So either it is prepared over there and used, or you can have in the pressure it is stored in it. Then जो कॉफी होता है ना उसमें से कैफीन निकालने के लिए भी यही काम में आता है. Okay, liquefied carbon dioxide is used to remove the caffeine from the coffee. Then it is also used for dry cleaning. The liquid carbon dioxide is used as a solvent in modern eco-friendly type of dry cleaning. And the last use is children, carbon dioxide is used by the plant for photosynthesis.